I have one question. Uh, can you hear me?
Hello. Yeah, sorry,
Yeah,
I was speaking on mute.
yeah. I have one question. Like, do you also teach VB scripting basics early?
Which one? Visual Basic scripting you're talking about?
Yeah.
No, actually, I'm not teaching Visual Basic because VB is separate world as compared to Excel. So
Okay. Okay.
VBS not is the part in this course.
Okay.
The last step is dashboards and conditional formatting, and we have like some these formulas I will teach, and I will assign like where these formulas I will cover up.
Okay. Okay.
50 formulas are there. These formulas I will cover up, and some shortcut keys like we have like 250 plus shortcut key, but these are
Okay.
some basics how to understand because shortcut key is very important part of Excel. How to do the same thing instead of using manual task, you can use shortcut keys. So these parts I have covered up in the past recording session. You can go through
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
record in
Okay.
my
Sure.
recording.
Sure.
Okay,
Sure.
so
Okay.
I have covered up most of the topics here. Okay. So right
Okay.
now, what I'm teaching, yeah, some shortcut key I'm teaching, then you will understand. Okay, these are some basic things what I'm doing here. For example, here yesterday I have covered the last one, how to delete and how to hide and unhide rows by using Alt H O U or hiding rows. These basic shortcut key which I have covered Alt O this one Alt H O U and R. So instead of using this shortcut key, this is basic Alt. Uh, where is if I copy it and paste it here. So here you can see Alt H O U R for hiding rows, Alt H O U C. U means unhide, O means format, Alt H means home tab, O mean format, U mean unhide, then R. This is same thing. Alt H O U C, C for column header. So instead of using this complex, just hold on. I have hidden it. Let me unhide it. If you select this data and if you press Control 9, so it is hiding column. Same thing. I want to hide this row number 8 and this all data, multiple columns. Control 9. So here I am hiding. Row number 8 is hiding. So control 9 using for key is used for row hide, and whereas if you want to hide Wednesday's data, then you can use control 0. Control 0. Now Wednesday data is hidden. Now select K2M and right click and click on unhide option. Now we got the same data. Understood?
So for unhiding, there is no shortcut
For
key.
unhiding, if I'm using in that case one shortcut key you can create like control space. There is no like proper shortcut key for unhiding. You need to create like just press control space. Control space is selecting your one column with multiple rows and press shift right arrow and just uh, press that key is not available in my laptop. So here that is the reason I'm clicking here. Right click and press U by this way. Control space and right click and U. This one. By this way you can unhide. Similarly, if you're hiding row number 8, press shift space for
Okay.
selecting one row with multiple columns and same thing, right click and press U. Understood? By this way, you will get your unhide data. Understood, guys? Shall we start the new topic? This one.
Yes.
So here, for we have two shortcut key, like how to add multiple tabs, like for adding sheets or for adding tabs, sheets or tabs.
Wasim, Akshat this side. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, please.
Hello.
Yeah, do you have any doubt? Actually, your voice is not clear. I think I'm not able to hear you.
Wasim, am I audible?
Yeah, it's audible right now.
Okay. Wasim, I joined today. So how many classes have you combined?
Only 2 classes has completed. Like first one I completed on last week Friday. Then I continued from yesterday on Thursday. So this is Excel day 3.
Okay.
So there is no big thing is covered in these 2 days. I am completing the shortcut keys steps. Like this is very easier thing. So first you can go through the recording session, then you can easily understand. Even I will share this tab with you in the same group, shortcut keys, so you can easily understand. And I will be sharing 250 plus shortcut keys. So in this, there is no session on tomorrow and Sunday. Okay, so this is weekdays batch. So you can work and you can keep practicing on your shortcut keys. Okay, there are some 100 shortcut keys I have already shared in the same group in the target batch. Okay. Yeah. So these things I have covered up. Understood? Do you have any doubt? From Friday, I have covered some shortcut key. Then on day 2, last week I started on 24th of May. 24th of May was my first day as a demo.
Okay.
Then on 30th May it was day 2. Now today's day 3. Any doubt?
No, thank you.
Shall we continue?
Yeah, please.
Okay. Okay. So some shortcut key, only some shortcut keys are pending. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So the next shortcut key is how to add multiple sheets or multiple tabs in your Excel. Like here, I have added multiple tabs. My current tab name is shortcut keys. Then this is use of dollars, VLOOKUP, sheet number 9, index match, topic, assignment 8. So these are some different tabs which I have added with shortcut keys. So how to add new sheet, new workbook in your current Excel. New sheet in your current workbook, not workbook. I'm saying which one. So here, if I press Alt, then press H. I'm following this shortcut. This one, Alt H. Then I is used for insert. Then S is used for insert sheet. So what will happen the moment if I press S button? New sheet will be created on your screen. Now I pressed S. Sheet number 7 is visible on your screen. Now we have entered in the sheet number 7. Understood? Again, if I follow the same shortcut key, Alt H, I, S, Alt H, then I, then S. Now sheet number 8 is added in your current Excel workbook. Again, if I press Alt H, I, S, Alt H, I, S. Now we have created we have added 2 more sheets. Understood? Guys, understood or not? What is the use of this shortcut key? So this is basic shortcut key that is available in your Excel. If you press Alt, you will get this option. Then follow the Home tab, and one option is there, Insert option in your Home tab. Press I, and go to the last bottom option, last option. Now sheet number 12 is also added. And first basic way is if you want to create multiple tabs, so what you can do, you can click on this tab. By this way you can add. This is basic new sheet. This plus sign means you are creating new sheet, you are adding new sheet. Understood? Then first let me complete this one, because this is important shortcut key. This will really helpful in your real time, this shortcut key. So now instead of using this one alt h is, if you use shift F11, if you hold a shift button then press F11, now sheet 17 is added. Again I'm holding my shift button, shift key, and I'm pressing F11. So shift F11 is faster than your alt HIS. This is much better. Shift F11 is much better than your, because here we are following only 2 commands and here we are following 4 commands. So which one is easier? This one or this one?
Custom shortcut.
Shift, yes, custom shortcut, shift F11. Again, I'm adding using shift F11. Now we have created n number of sheets in my current Excel workbook. Okay.
So what's the
I'm
basic
skipping
difference between basic shortcut and custom shortcut?
basic. The main difference is these shortcut keys are available like for your basic knowledge, basic understanding. So first you can go through this shortcut key, so you can easily understand, okay, what you are doing. Like if you press alt, then these options are available. It means this shortcut key is telling you you have pressed alt button. Now some shortcut keys are available on your screen. So where is your insert option available? So insert option is available in your home tab. If you click on home tab, now we have entered in the insert option. If you click on this insert option, so there is no insert option for which is related to your sheets. These are some different tabs. Okay. So here alt H. Now we have entered home and these options are available. So that is the reason basic shortcut keys are very helpful. But once you remember
So
custom
for
shortcut key in the real time. Yeah.
for inserting, we can't do it from insert, right? New sheet only you have to do from below one only, right?
Which one?
I mean, for inserting the new sheet, if you go to insert, there is no option, right?
Yes. Right now, this is my current tab. Now, if I press Shift F11, now new sheet is inserted.
Okay. And how to switch between these tabs? Any shortcut for that?
There is no step, just like right now, anywhere you can go to your any tab, anywhere. Where do you want? Now, right now, this is my current tab. This is my active tab. Now here, if
Yeah.
I use Shift F11, Shift F11, now one more tab is added. Understood?
Yeah. If you wanted to go from shortcuts key to shift 30, sheet 30, instead of
Shift
going manually, any sheet 30.
instead of going manually, you can use Shift F11. F11. This is your shortcut key. Basic
To navigate to left and
custom
right.
shortcut
Okay.
key is more helpful. You can keep practicing on these shortcut keys. So this is very helpful in your real time. This is very helpful as compared to basic. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, if you wanted to navigate from one sheet to, if you want to go to left, what is shortcut for that?
Those things I have covered up in the
Oh,
first demo, like in navigation, like
okay. Okay.
moving from. Okay, so first you can go through your
I'll
recording.
look into it. Okay.
You can if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, I
Okay.
will share some shortcut key. This shortcut key tab I will be sharing the same sheet. Okay, so you can following what I have written here. You can press
Okay.
those commands in your laptop. Okay, while
Okay.
you're
Okay. Got it.
working in
Yeah.
Excel. Now let me skip F4. Okay, let me move to this one for deleting tabs. Now if you noticed here, we have inserted n number of sheets. Okay. And these sheets are not required. So shortcut key is, let me copy the shortcut key so you can easily understand what I'm doing. Deleting shortcut key. Let me copy it first, then here, then here. Okay. Now this is your basic shortcut, and this is your custom advanced shortcut, custom keys. So if you if you press Alt, again these shortcut keys are visible on your screen. Now these shortcut keys are the, like, how many tabs are available. File, F is used for file, H is used for home, same thing. Now next step is go to home page. Now here, at the last time we have seen I option, how to insert sheets. Now this time I want to delete. So what you can do, just press D. Now here again press S, delete sheet. D for delete, S for sheet, I for insert, S for sheet. Understood? D for delete, S for sheet. Then press S. Now here I have mentioned something in this tab. So we are getting some warning message. This message is giving you some important message like Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? Now, if this is not required, then press enter. Then sheet 11 will be deleted permanently. You can't restore that sheet. Understood? Understood that part? Like now here, if I click on delete option, now sheet 11 is permanently deleted. Now by this way, if I press Control Z is mean undo button. So undo will fail in this scenario. Undo is not working. Understood? So I will tell you what is the reason behind it after some time. Let me complete this first one, how to delete your sheets. Okay. Now again I have written same, you have to mention Alt H DS. Again press Alt, then H, then D, then last S. Again we are getting the same message. Microsoft Excel will permanently delete this sheet. Do you want to continue? Yes. Now sheet number 10 is also deleted. Now this time I will try the custom shortcut key, Alt EL. We have only 3 commands as compared to basic shortcut keys. Here we have only 3 commands, Alt EL, and this key are not visible in your Excel. You have to remember it. So keep practicing, then you can remember it. Like press Alt, then E, then L. Again, we got the same message. Microsoft Excel will permanently delete. The moment if you enter, now the sheet number 8 is also deleted. Okay. So wherever I have mentioned something, I have written something, in that scenario, if you want to delete the same tab, you will get the warning message. Okay. So here in the sheet number 7, in the sheet number 12, again, I have written something. So that is the reason we are getting the warning message. But what will happen in sheet number 24, I will tell you within 2 or 3 months. Again, I'm deleting it, Alt E L. Now we have 2 sheets. Sheet 12, I have written something, but in the sheet number 24, I didn't write anything. So what will happen? If I want to highlight this color, sheet number 24, I want to delete. So what happened here? sheet number 24 is deleted. So without getting any warning message, sheet 24 is deleted. Why? Because same as sheet number, we don't have any data. I did not write anything in sheet number 23. Same things I did not write in sheet number 24. So that is the reason. But if you follow the same step, Alt EL, here we are getting the warning message. But again, if you press same thing, Alt EL, now sheet number 23 is deleted. Again, if I press Alt H D, the moment if I press this option, again, without giving any warning message, this sheet 22 will be deleted permanently because there is no data. That is the reason we are not getting any warning message. But what will happen? If I type something like, if I type W, now again, if I follow the same shortcut key, either I can type Alt H D S. We are getting this warning message because this time Excel is understood. I have written something in this blank workbook. It means some important information is available in sheet number 21. So that is the reason we are getting this information from Excel. Understood, guys? Guys, understood or not?
Yes.
Now here in sheet number 22, there is no information. Again, if I press Alt H D S, so what will happen? This will be deleted. Now sheet 20 is deleted. Okay, same thing. If I type anything, Alt EL, again we are getting the same warning message because I have mentioned something. So that is the difference. When and where you will get the information. Okay. Now, how many sheets are pending? A lot of sheets are pending. Have you understood what is the role of Alt H DS and Alt EL for deleting the tabs in Excel? Like sheet
Yes.
number 32, sheet number 12. These are unnecessary tabs are added. So which will increase your MB size of your Excel properties. Understood? So that is the reason I'm deleting this sheets multiple. So right now, F4. Let's move to F4. What is the definition of F4? We have two use of F4. Okay, right now. So first one is depend on your last command. For example, if I copy it and I'm pasting it here. Now this time what I'm doing, Control C, then Control V. Control C I'm using, and here I'm using Control V, Control C, Control V. Now this time, instead of using Control V, if I press F4, same data is pasted. Again, if I press F4, so data is F4 is not working because in the case of control copy pasting, F4 is working only one time. Like Control C, Control V. Now here, if I press Control F4, now F4 is working right now. Again, if I want to press F4 one more time, it is not working. So only in this scenario, F4 is working only one time. In the case of Control C and Control V. Pasting. Control C, copy. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Now the next thing is I want to delete, like I have mentioned the same thing in multiple cells. Now the same thing is not required.
So, I hear you want to type like a pro.
Guys, can you please Now this time, some informations are available in J column, in H column and F column. Now I want to delete some information that are unnecessary available in F column, H column and J column. So what you can do, if I press delete option here, one by one. First time I pressed delete key. Okay. If I press, now here I press delete button. Now this time, instead of using delete command, if I press F4, now again the data is deleted. Again, if I press F4, is deleted. Again, F. So here, if you noticed, F4 is working more than one time, like until the data is blank. F4 is working. Understood? In the case of delete, F4 is working multiple times. Delete command. Guys, understood? Similarly, here, guys, have you understood what is the use of F4? F4 is depend on your last command. Which type of command you have used? If you have used copy paste, in that case, this will be working one time. But if you have deleted something just 2 minutes ago, so in that case, again, if you press F4 button, so F4 follow the delete command. Understood? It depend on your last command. So right now, sheet number 12 is not required. Here I'm deleting Alt E L. Now, right now I'm not using the same command. This time I will use F4. So what will happen? Sheet 18 will be deleted, 17 will be deleted. Like F4, sheet 18 is deleted. Again F4, 17 is deleted. Again F4, 29 is deleted. Then again F4, 28. Again F4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here I have mentioned something. So that is the reason we are getting the same information. Guys, understood?
Yes.
Completely understood? What is the use of F4 command? Like these are very important topic, like in your real time. That is the reason I have to complete. Then I will start formulas, some formulas. Okay. Now the last thing is, suppose right now I'm saving this file. Okay. It's 8:34. I'm saving this file. Now I have mentioned this is, suppose this is my important tab. Important tab. Again I'm saving. Now if you're working in your organization and you have created some, you have stored some data in your Excel MIS reports, you have created some reports for the management purpose. So suppose by mistake, if you deleted this tab, like by mistake you have by mistake what if you click on this option and if you click on delete sheet, now here you are getting the option, but by mistake you ignored this option. So what will happen? This important tab will be deleted permanently. Understood? If you click on delete option. Understood, guys? What I am asking here.
Yes. Yes.
So, but that is very important. Like this is very important tab because all the information of which is related to your production is available in your this tab. Okay. But what happened? Suppose you have deleted this tab by mistake. So how to restore the important tab? Understood? Suppose, for example, here I have deleted important tab. Now, in that case, if I use Control Z, so we can't restore. It means important tab is permanently deleted. So what you can do in that case, only one option is there. Just click on option and click on don't save. Don't save. If you click on save option, then it means you have deleted permanently. Now you can't restore. So that is the reason I clicked on don't save option. Now again, I am
Wasim, but if it's in autosave mode in that case?
in case of autosave mode, this will be permanently deleted if you're working with autosave, because there are some disadvantage with autosave mode. Even I am not working with autosave for this scenario. This scenario autosave, this is the disadvantage of autosave mode. Understood? Like now,
Yeah.
if you noticed here, last time I saved it at 8:34. So in this time, the tab was available. So if you click on this Excel workbook, but autosave mode is like sometimes is very help. Like let's wait for Excel. It is hanging up. We have some like benefits of auto saving, but some disadvantage. Like you don't need to press Control S every time. Understood? Like if you click on auto save option. Understood, guys?
Yeah.
Now, if you noticed here, you have restored this is, important tab is available. Understood? Just click on enable content. Now we got the same important tab which we have deleted by mistake. So this is only way. By this way you can restore your deleted data. But if you saved after deleting, if you save this Excel file, it means this tab is permanently deleted. Understood, guys? Now this is and Control C Alt S V paste special formula. This is very important formula for like how to remove your formulas. Once I will start sum count. For example, here 1, 2, 3. If I use sum formula, now 6 is the summation of these three values. But here, if you use Control C and Control V, so what is happening here? You have pasted the data with the formulas as well, like range is moving. But if you want to, by this way, you can't copy the same value. So what you can do, just copy Control C. Then we have some basic option, just right click. And here we have paste special. Just drop down this option. Formulas, P, formulas, formatting, keep sourcing, no border. Here we have option paste values. Just click on 1, 2, 3, paste values. Okay. Again, just copy and put your cursor in row number 22. Right click, paste special, and here this option values. Now same data we have pasted here. And how to remove the sum formula from the same cell. So same thing, Control C, right click, click on paste special, click on values. Understood? Now we have removed. If I change something, there is no change because the formula is removed. But if the formula is active on your screen right now, if I type 3, so automatically the number will update. It is depend on your this data. Understood? Understood, guys?
Can you repeat again this?
Yeah, no problem. Paste special is very important role in the Excel while you're working, while you're applying any formula, like we look up any formula in your Excel. For example, this is some production number and this is your grand total. This is your total, okay? And this is some A total, B total, and C total. Now here I'm typing 1, 2, and 5. So here I'm getting the total summation of this production of these three is 8. Understood? Now right now I don't want to change anything. I want to fix. For this week, 8 number is fixed value. What will happen in the next week? Maybe some changes in my data source. So what will happen? This will be changing. So you will get some different number. So that is the reason this is my final production number. Now I want to fix this number. I don't want to change anything. So what you can do, just press Control C. Where is this Control C button? Here. Control C. First method I'm teaching you. Control C. Right click and click on Paste Special and click on Values. Click on Values. Click on OK. Now the formula is removed. Now this is fixed number. Right now, if you're changing something here, there is no impact in my total. Understood, guys? Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So shortcut key is how to remove the formula. Just Control C and press Alt. I'm copying it so you can easily understand. Just I'm copying. Control C, press. This is first step. Control C, then Alt, then E, then S. Now we are getting Paste Special. We got some options in Paste Special. Now here, V is your shortcut key. Press V. Now the formula is removed. Understood, guys? Again, I am repeating the same thing. Control C, Alt, then E, then S, then V, then enter. Now the formula is removed. Similarly, one more shortcut key is there. Control C and then Control plus Alt V. This is easier as compared to AESV. This one. Control C, then press Control and hold your Control command and press Alt and hold these two commands, then press V. Now we are getting the same option. We got the same and press V, then enter. Understood, guys? How to use Paste Special?
Can you repeat that? The space special one.
No problem. Like this is formula.
Uh-huh.
Now here, I have written two shortcut key. Control C, then Alt E S V, then press enter command. Enter command that is available in your keyboard. Enter button. So what will happen? This formula will be removed.
Okay.
Like if you press Control C, okay, Control C. Now the next step is Alt, then E, then S. The moment if you press S button,
this pop-up cover.
you got this option. Yes, Paste Special. And here V option. So press V. V is shortcut command of your values because I want to see only values, not formulas. Okay, so here press V. Now the formulas is removed. Formula is removed. Understood?
And what's the shortcut for it?
This is shortcut key, na? Control C.
No, the other one, or control plus V, control plus alt.
Yes, other one is, let me complete it. Have you understood this one?
Yes,
This
I
part?
haven't done this one. Yeah.
Okay, but this is complex as compared to this one.
Mhm.
Same thing, control C is common in both cases. Then here, after control C, press control alt V. Let me start here. Control C, then press control button and hold it. And then press alt button, then hold control
Hello.
and alt.
Hi, good morning.
Then press V.
Good morning. Hey everyone, good morning. Happy Friday. Monday ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందో ఫ్రైడే ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందో
Hello, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Now again I'm repeating one more time for my second shortcut keys. If I press control C and press control, then press control alt and hold and press V. Hold these three key, control alt V. Again, same options you can see on your screen. And then press V, then enter. Understood, guys? Control alt V, then one more time V for values. For value paste. Understood? Control C, control alt V. Any doubt, guys? Because we have almost completed my alt shortcut key. Now some basic shortcut keys are available like alt sum. This is shortcut key of auto sum. Once I will start some formula, then I will tell you what is the use of alt sum. Then control F. Once I will teach you VLOOKUP, then I will teach you control F. This is transpose data. Once I will start VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, then I will tell you what is the use of this command. Okay, some shortcut keys are pending. I will teach you once I will start formulas. Then alt F4, you do you know about alt F4? Like you will get this option, want to save changes of Excel. Like here, I have taken a screenshot. If you press alt F4, this you will get this warning message like want to save your changes to Excel practice notes. Or if you press control F4, again you will get the same option. Understood, guys? Now here I'm getting the same option. Understood, guys? Guys, understood or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And control alt F4 and control F4. Now deactivating primary key and activate. So the meaning is like if you're looking at your numeric button 1 and 1 2, and if you noticed like here 1 is there 1 2 3 4 5. Now right now I'm not using shift command. If you're typing 1 2 3 4 5, you're getting the same value. But right now if you're typing shift 1, you will get this option. If you type shift 2, you're getting @ sign. Here if you're getting shift with 3, you're getting this hash value. If you're getting, understood, guys? So that is the reason this is your shift button is used to deactivate your primary key and activate your secondary. So same thing. Similarly, if I'm typing my name right now, this is simple. But if I type shift W, now W is caps and other are small. So this is type way by you can type. Okay. If I type one thing and now I'm holding shift button and I'm typing passing. So other letters are in upper letter. Understood, guys? Now the stage of shortcut key is completed. Now let's move to the formulas. Okay, we have completed shortcut keys. Are you ready for formulas?
Yes.
Because this is very interesting stage. Now we have completed first stage of shortcut key. Now we have entered in the second stage, formulas. This will take 15 to 20 days for completing because this is very important and this is backbone of your Excel course. Like if you after 1 month or 1.5 month, if you are keep practicing on your assignment, and so in the interview they will align you like 10 questions. So out of 10, 7 questions or 8 questions will are related to your formulas, and 1 or 2 question will be coming from your pivot table. Understood? Pivot table and dashboards. So same thing. Let me open one Excel technical test so you can easily so you can see. I'm showing you one Excel test in front of you. This is Excel test. Okay, this is fresh. This is fresh one. This is this. Like these types of technical tests will be coming. Like there are 5 tasks. Task 1 is 25 marks, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my data set. In the task 1, my question is give the sum of all values which is greater than 20 in column H. This is my data set, and in the 20 column, like if I keep filtering here and one filter I'm applying which is greater than 20, what is the total summation of this value which is greater than? So these are the values which are greater than 20, like 24, 27. So what is the total summation of those list is 1473. So same formula I have applied here. Sum ifs, I will teach you what is the use of sum if formula. Then in the second formula, here I have applied sum product. This is also very important question formula, very strongest formula. Then third one, here I have used left right function, which I have already mentioned. Then here again sum ifs. These types of questions like will be asked where I have applied. Okay, the third one. Here I have applied index match. So these formulas are already available. Like if you notice there, sum ifs you have seen, index match you have seen in my technical test. So these are very important formulas. Okay. And these are some basic formulas. So first one is sum. Definition is add all the numbers in a range of cells. Calculate the sum of numeric values. Like here. Let me start sum formula. If I'm typing here 1, 2, 3, and if I'm using sum, so here my first value is mentioned in row number 3 and the last value is mentioned in row number 5. By this way, if I typing here B3, then B4, suppose here, okay, let me complete first example. Okay, B3, then B4, then number 3 is B5, B5. Now in one syntax I have mentioned B3 first value. In the second syntax I have mentioned row number 4 value. Then in the third I have mentioned row number 5 value. Close the bracket. Now the total summation is 6. Till this point, any doubt, guys?
No.
What is the definition of sum? Do you know about it?
It adds all the value.
Yes, adds all the values to calculate the summation of your values and for your numeric values. And we can't add any value that is not equal to your numeric. Okay, we can't add those values. like A, B, C. Like if I typing here A, so now here what is happening? 1 and 3. We are getting the total of 1 and 3 because the value of text is 0 in the Excel. So that is the reason it is ignoring this value. So right now, only in this scenario, you can type by this way. But what will happen if you have 100 now I have 140 number of rows listed here. So how to apply some formula in front of you? Is it easier way like if I type here sum and if I type D3, is it right way? Is then comma D4, then comma D6. Is it correct one or not? Am I following the correct approach?
It's correct, but it's a time consuming.
Yes.
Yes.
In this scenario, this is incorrect because it is time consuming. We don't have like time, like suppose if you have lakh number of rows. So what you can do, we can't follow this approach. This is very worst approach in this scenario. So what you can do, just type sum and select first value. D3 is your first value and D143. This is your the column number D, column D, and last value is one is available in 143. Okay, so press sum here, type D3 and press shift semicolon and press D143. Now press bracket. Is it correct one? Guys, is it correct one or not?
Yes, sir.
Select your first row and select your then press shift semicolon, then choose your last row, ending row. Understood? Then you will get the summation of this value 111 like 10,011 and same value 10,011. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Same thing. So this is long approach. Now here I'm typing here. By mistake, I have mentioned something. Like if I type here, I'm ignoring just this error. Just click on right alignment. Now again, I'm applying the formulas. By this way, if you are applying the formula, just select your value and press shift down. And now if you noticed, 2 is mentioned here, but we are not getting the value. May I know what kind of reason? What kind of mistake I did it here? Because this value is your numeric value. This value is your numeric value is number. It is telling true. It is telling false. Why? Because here I have added something, comma. If you add something with your numeric value, it means you are converting your numeric values into text value. Understood? So that is the reason this formula is ignoring second value, because what is happening internally, this is value, this is 0, this is 3. So that is the reason internally what is happening, my formula is considering this value as 0. So that is the reason 1 plus 0, 1, then plus 3 equals to 4. Why? Because here I have added something. If you remove this comma and if you entered it, now you are getting the updated value 2. Understood, guys? We have completed the first formula. On Monday, we will continue about count A. What is the difference between these two, these three? Then min formula, min A, max formula, maximum A. Then same thing. One of the example, like what is the meaning of is blank, is number, is text. And you have seen some demo of is blank value, like here, is number. Is number is telling you, well, if this value is equals to numeric, you will get the true output. If this value is not matching with your numeric, you will get false. Okay, so I will repeat this part with proper way. Any doubt, guys? We have completed some summation value, some formula. Guys, do you have any doubt? Any question?
I have one doubt. The space special, the control C, control V thing, is it on the same cell? That can you just explain?
You can explain, like for example here,
Hmm.
control C and control V is not mandatory for only one formula. Here, this is my different formula, this is my different formula, and this is not mandatory. You can keep pasting on the same value. If you want to, I want to copy
So,
this value, this formula
uh,
value
somewhere
in I
else.
column.
So
So
how will I do that?
just copy control C and same follow control alt V and press value. Now we got the same value.
Just give me
Same
a second.
thing, this formula, copy this formula,
Control
then
C.
control C, control C, copy and put your cursor in I column, press alt E S V.
What's the
Understood?
shortcut? Control Alt V V.
Yes, control
Uh,
alt
uh.
V, then V. This is easier shortcut key. First is control C.
But when I
This
do the second V, it shows me custom views.
no
For you,
yes,
it's
like if you press control C, then you will get that option. Like control C is your first step, then follow control alt V,
uh,
this view, control alt V, like
Alt
control
V.
C and press control alt. Just hold your these two button key,
Together.
control and alt, and press V. Then again V, then press V, enter. Is it working or not?
Just a second. I did Control C. Then I go somewhere else.
Control alt V,
It is working now.
working?
Yeah, it's working now.
Okay, great. I will be sharing some shortcut keys PDF where you can see 200 plus shortcut keys are available. Okay, just go through with the shortcut key and keep
Can
practicing.
Get
If
this
you're
formula.
working on five shortcut keys on daily basis, I'm not saying that 250 shortcut keys are mandatory. 25 to 30 shortcut keys are enough in your real time. Understood? Important shortcut keys, which is very helpful in your daily projects. Like control C, paste special, deleting sheets. These are very important. So important sheets I have mentioned, I taught you. These are very useful. These are on based on your real time. So that is the reason I did not mention 250 shortcut key. Only 14, 15 I have mentioned here. So you can easily understand other shortcut keys. Okay, thanks for your time, guys. See you on Monday.
And please,
So will we get this sheet, formula sheet?
Yes, I will be sharing. Just give me 5 minutes. I will be sharing just now. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
and sir, please you share the interview preparation and something question.
Yes,
Please
yes. I will be. Yes. Yes,
No,
I
no,
will
no.
be sharing. Once I will
Yeah,
cover.
because
Which one?
one day my interview scheduled in my executive.
Okay. Okay. So have you done the question, Excel? What kind of
Yes, sir.
questions are there? Okay, great. So if you keep on keep practicing, so you can improve Like you can create a like genuine dashboard, performance dashboard. Okay,
Yes, sir.
visualization, best visualization. Okay, like
Most of those question not clear in a problem solving question is a main sense.
not a problem. Once you
Problem.
I will be sharing some assignment question
Yeah.
from Monday onwards. I will be sharing some uh, important question of formulas. Okay. Right now I'm
So
sharing the
please,
shortcut keys because we have just completed the shortcut keys right now. So right
yes,
now
sir.
I'm not sharing any assignment. I'm sharing the shortcut keys PDF. So now we have entered in the formulas. So I will complete 10 to 15 formulas on Monday. Then I will be sharing some these types of assignment. You
Okay,
can
please.
you can watch these types of these types of questions are there in the
Even possible
technical.
for interview.
Yes, in the interview question, these types
Yes,
of
sir.
questions are there. Like question number seven, pin code on the name, address, these things
Yeah.
you have seen. Like we
Something
have like
question please tell you.
200 plus questions. Okay, in the
Okay.
Excel.
Yes.
If you are working, if you're practicing on 200 questions, you can easily crack any technical round of
Okay.
Excel, advanced Excel. Okay, these are like
Okay.
nested if, left function, right function. These things you have seen. Nested
Okay.
if condition. These are some assignments that I have already prepared it. Like first trying these formulas I have applied. These are very complex. Okay, so
Yeah.
you can easily understand. Okay, thanks for your time, guys. See you on
Okay.
Monday.